how to interact with the software. That's the first thing. In the first 2 days, you should be very familiar with the interaction. You cannot insert your hand into the software, right? That is the reason your input tools are your mouse and your keyboard. So with that, actually, you should be very perfect. So what I will do is, you can write down this space bar, space bar. Space bar, selection tool. Space bar is the selection tool. And first I'm going to write and I'm going to explain it. O. Rotate the screen or stage. Z. Zoom. Zoom in, zoom out the view. And MMB. What is MMB? Middle mouse button. This is also rotation. Rotate the screen. Not the rotation. Rotate screen. There is a lot of difference between the rotate and rotate the screen. Rotation in the single object can be rotated. That is a different. Rotate the stage in the sense entire table you are going to rotate. That is the rotation, the screen. Okay. And H, hand tool. For what? Pan the screen. You can H, you can move like this. Okay. Beside this, E, eraser. What it is going to eraser? It erases lines, groups, and components. So what is the groups and components I'm going to discuss later. First of all, line can be erased. And scroll button. Scroll bar. Zoom in over the screen. So first I'm going to explain it and then we can write it. Space bar. See this selection tool. For example, I'm going to write something. I'm going to draw something here. I'm draw something here. Space bar. I can select like this. 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 Okay. With the selection, there is another option also. For example, future you are going to learn it with the selection tool also, and you can click here also. Two things are there. Select it and double click. It select the face along with the edges. Triple click, select the entire object. Okay, this is a selection I'm talking about. H, what it is doing? It's pan, top to bottom, left to right. Okay, and O, rotate it. Entire stage is going to rotate it. Yes, zoom in, zoom out. It is a zoom in, zoom out. Even Z also do the same. Z also do the same with the left mouse button. Okay. And middle mouse button. What is the advantage with the middle mouse button is, in which tool you are, it toggle while you are holding the middle mouse button. When you release that, it goes to the previous tool. See this? I'm not completely switching to the particular middle mouse button. O in the sense, directly it switches. I'm working with some tool, selection tool. Suddenly I want to rotate it. Middle mouse button, rotate it, and again release that. Your previous selection tool is actually restored. So this is more and more cases it will be important. Okay. So this is the thing. And eraser I'm talking about, E. So that is here. Lines. This is the lines. Erase it. It's a line. Erase it. It is a line. Erase it. It line. Erase it. Line. Erase it. Okay. That's it. Okay. So this is an interaction. This is the interaction. And I'm talking about control Z. Control Z in the sense you can come back here. Now you can see the object from all the sides. This is perspective angle, right? This is the perspective angle. That means like just like we objects, what the way you are going to observe. And for example, you are going to take any element into the hands. You want to see exactly from the top side, exactly from the left side. So this is another case. So in that case, top angle, purely top angle, and it is front angle, and this is back angle. This is right angle, and this is the left angle. Right? In a particular angle, you can see the content. Whenever you want to work detailed work in a particular view, you need to switch to that view and you can work. And if you click this, structurally you want to do anything, just you can. This is the views. Okay.